What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back. So I'm back again in Israel, right? And I'm here to react to Golan performs October Rain for the first time. I'm here to react to that, right? But before I go any further into this reaction, I've heard a thing happen last year, October the 7th, when some attacks happened in Israel where a lot of people died. And I have to say, my apologies goes out to y'all. I've been seeing these comments all over my video. Every time I've scrolled on Instagram or wherever, I've seen this comment, and I gotta say my condolences goes out to y'all. I'm really sorry to hear what's up, and this literally pains my heart to see so much innocent people lost their lives, and it is so tragic to see how much people, right, lose a loved one, right? And I know what is it like to lose a loved one. It is so tragic, it is so painful, but I gotta say, keep on praying, keep on asking God to keep you all, because the race is not for the swift, but who can endure it, right? So one question before I go into this reaction: do anyone here knew who this man is? And that is Bob Marley. Let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to have an elaboration there with y'all. So let's dive in.
This is the first time I sing after I came back from Eurovision. And I'm doing it on this stage at this square.
Hey, Miss Eden, you were spectacular. I did and truly enjoy your song. Hurricane, it is so peaceful. It brings me joy. It brings me joy, and I'm really grateful to sit and to give you another reaction on this song. And you sound so great. You were excellent. It was such a beautiful masterpiece to sit and to witness how powerful your voice really is. I mean, like, it's damn, you guys won't even understand. Oh, I love that song of her.
But most importantly, we need to bring our hostages back home because there is no more time left.
Damn, bro, it's really sad to witness this, and I mean, like, to lose someone, to have people as hostages, it's really sad, bro. To be honest, it's not fair for anyone.
I was waiting for the moment to sing October Rain, and it is my prayer to bring everyone back home. And I will...
To be honest, I'll pray for y'all as well, because prayer is really important. It's always important. It doesn't matter what season or what time of the year, it doesn't matter what time of the day. It's always important to pray, right? Because a lot of people will need prayer, a lot of people do need prayer. And it doesn't matter if you are in need of prayer, yes or no. It's always important to give reverence to God, because He's the one that leads us through the darkest times. He's the one that leads us through the momentum where we feel like there is no more hope left, right? So we have to pray, we have to give Him thanks, we have to ask Him for forgiveness, guidance, protection throughout, because life is not easy if we're not going in faith, bro. Trust me, it's not.
not stop making our voice heard in Israel and all over the world until we bring everyone back home safely.
To be honest, I'm a Jamaican, right? And I'm in Jamaica right at this current moment, and I'm here helping Miss Eden and others to bring forth the people who was captured, captivated from out of the Israelites' country. I'm here to bring them home. I'm here to help you guys to bring them home, because everyone deserves to be comfortable. Everyone deserves to be at home with family, enjoying with friends. Each and everyone does. No one deserves to be away from home, bro. Home is comfortable, trust me.
Writers of the history, stand with me, look into my eyes and see.
This song is so perfect. It's one in a million, trust me. I enjoy this song so much, bro. It's so nice.
go away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry?
Bro, this song is... Wow. I love this song so much, bro. It's just original. It's just original. There's nothing at all fake about this. It's just awesomely good.
Hours and hours and flowers. Life is no game for the cowards. While the time goes by.
Wow. Whoa, this song, her voice is perfect. Her voice is like a blooming flower, right? The sun like hits that flower and it started to bloom. It's make the day a whole lot better the moment you watch it blooms, bro. It's so peaceful. It's damn.
Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride.
Yo, woo, woo. Buka. She's a queen, bro. She's a queen, and not one person can take a crown away from this female, bro. She deserves this, bro. Trust me.
Dancing in the storm, we got nothing to hide. Take me home and leave the world behind.
This is so authentic, right? The authenticity of this song is quite remarkable. I'm gonna say it's realistically true. It's from the soul, it's from the guts, it's from the heart. She is singing from the heart, and this is why this song is so much, because she's singing from the heart, and everyone can feel what she's going through, what the Israelites are going through, because it's something that people literally went through before, and it's a witness to see a lot of people just disappear like that without a trace, bro. This song is perfectly written, trust me.
Baby, promise me that never again. I'm still wet from this October rain. October.
Guys, this is just, it is not just in Israel this is happening, right? It's global, it's all over the entire world, right? All these things has been happening, bro. People is just missing from left, right and center, bro. It's like something is just coming to this side, taking away all these people, and there's no one to recover them, bro. It's sad, bro. It's a massacre, bro. It's a massacre, and I pray for all. Trust me.
Living in a fantasy, ecstasy, everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die.
So good. Yo. Holy man, bro. Bro, this. This is so freaking good.
Hours and hours and flowers. Life is no game for the cowards. Why the time goes away.
Whoa. Look at this guy, bro. Alright, look at this guy.
this mysterious.
You guys won't even understand how this song is so perfect. To picture all this that has been going on, it's tragic. It's really tragic. It's heartbroken. It really does.
Dancing in the storm, we got nothing to hide. Take me home and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me that never again.
This is all politics, right? This song is so perfect. This song is a perfect choice for the championship, right? And all these people, right? So much people are hurting right now. So much people are not able to see their family member again. And she came, she participated in the Eurovision 2024 competition, bro. And they vote them out, bro. No, that's politics, bro. This song is very meaningful to others. This song is very meaningful to people who doesn't really seem to have a life today. There's so much people lives who have lost in that massacre. And this is what realistic song does, bro. It hits to the core. One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain at all, bro. Because it's touching somewhere. It's coming from somewhere because you witness something that this music is really touching on that point. They should have won, bro. They should have won. But it's because of the politics, the fakeness. Everything is just for just favoritism and all this, bro. When we have other talented people out there who was willing to show their case of talent, and just because of politics, they are doomed for life, bro.
I'm still wet from this October rain. October rain. Ooh.
Guys, she's still hurt from this October rain, bro. The massacre that took place in October 7th, 2023. It's so fucking fucked up, bro. Guys, I'm sorry for your loss. Keep up the good work. You guys are strong, brave, and courageous.
I'm still wet from this October rain. October rain. Monisha feeling shom en makom en אותי מיום ליום כולם ילדים טובים אחד אחד. Bring them back home now.
So many beautiful Israelites people lost their lives. Many of it recovered in that terrible massacre. And God, Father, I'm praying. I'm putting these people before you. I'm putting all these missing people before you because people literally are hurting at this point. And it's been months now. Almost a year. A lot of people haven't returned home. But Father, you know best. Right? And let your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. You guys should keep on praying, trusting God, and let He leads your way. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on this video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. Miss Eden, you are phenomenal. Keep on doing the great work and you'll get tremendous results. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe for more.